like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain, I know.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja here. Okay, welcome back to another weekly vlog, you guys, and happy 4th of July. So with that being said, y'all know today is Tuesday, and we just pulled up to some family's house so that we could enjoy the 4th of July around family, you know, and gather and stuff like that. So yeah, honestly, that is the move. That is the move. So if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But anyways, let's go ahead and get in this house, say hello to the family, and let's see if they've already started cooking, because honestly I'm always kind of a little tardy to the party, and I believe right now it's about 4:30, so that means food should be getting done. Yeah, food should be about done or getting done, so I'm pretty excited for that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get in here and see what's popping. So look at my family.
Because I was in people's mouth saying they
out here trying to make TikTok.
Actually, back up more. That's how we can get it. Back up. Okay.
There we go.
Sure, just scoot over. I see you right there.
Who do I go with? You want to go third by yourself?
You've been waiting for me and I'm waiting for you. I know you got the camera up and hit and it's only you with me when I'm in the best, like I just click on you.
I think or something. Anyways, you guys, so 4th of July was nice. Right now I am in the Burger King line because my auntie ain't have no, she didn't have no potatoes or nothing like that. So since I am a potato head and I've got a deep craving, I decided to stop at which is called Burger King so that I could grab some potatoes, and then we're gonna take Kennedy home. And her mama, the famous TikToker, Ibs.
I look a mess.
She looks a mess, but it's okay.
Yeah, this little silk press really turned into a blowout real quick.
It's still cute though. It's hot out here. But anyways, yep, like I said, about to get these fries and then head home before fireworks and people start driving crazy. Hey y'all, welcome back to another day in the vlog. Okay, y'all, being a homeowner is so much fun, especially when you have to get on the attic to do stuff. It's just wonderful. So last night I noticed that it was getting very hot, right? And I'm like, I got the AC on, but why is it still hot? Y'all, I kid y'all not, it got up to like 84 degrees. And I'm like, okay, what? So I turned on my ceiling fan. Ceiling fan trying to do its things, not really doing its thing. And I'm like, golly, it's really hot. So when I woke up this morning, I reached out to my neighbor and I was like, hey girl, didn't you have some problems like with your, your AC circulating in your house and stuff? Same area, same problem upstairs, She's like, yeah. And she was like, I'm gonna come right over and show you what to do. So she comes over, she shows me what to do. So y'all, this is my attic, and let me tell you, when I went up there, first of all, it was a sauna for sure. It was a sauna for sure. But you know what? We actually just gonna walk up there because at this point it's each one teach one. Let's go up here. Oh, it's hot. It's hot still, but y'all, it had enough nerve to be filled up with water right in here, and I had to change the new filter that's right there. So this is the furnace pretty much. So I haven't been spending time getting this water out of here. I have not found an easier hack just yet. So this is the move for now. Let's see how much water can you know, be let up out of here. So this is the sensor thing right here, and when the water fills up, it lets the sensor know, and then it stops circulating. Whew, it is hot. It is very, very, very hot, but we did it. We didn't finish getting all of the water, and that is okay. We got what we can. The AC is circulating and doing its thing. It feels so good in here now. So yeah, if y'all having some problems with y'all's AC or anything like that, try that first. Try that first before you call somebody. Oh my God, it feels so good. It feels so good. God is so good. God is so good. But with that being said, y'all, I'm gonna take me a little second. I'm gonna sit down, get my thoughts together, because it was so hot up there. I promise y'all, it was so hot up there. Anyways, BRB. Okay, y'all, and we look better than what we left. Yeah, see, like y'all, I filmed a makeup tutorial for y'all, something very cute and natural and just, you know, summer girl friendly, you know, soft girl friendly. This is my everyday, don't matter what it costs, what day. This is the makeup. This is the makeup. Might not be the lash all the time, but this is the face. This is the face. But yeah, y'all, that's what it look like. Yep, anyways, I went ahead and filmed this. I'm excited, so I'm gonna edit it tonight. Actually, we are getting ready to go and get something to eat, because one thing we're not gonna do is let a face go to waste, okay? So we're going to run and grab some food, and then we're probably just gonna come home and edit, okay? But in the meantime, let's go ahead and get something to eat. Let's go through somebody's drive-through and show off this face, okay? Hey guys, happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, you guys. Welcome back to another day in the vlog, okay? So don't mind me. I'm in the process of getting myself together, but before I get on with any of that, I wanted to show you guys that we just got a package in the mail. Okay, very, very excited, because it is my vanity table. It definitely looks like a desk, but that part right there is the mirror. It's got a lot of good drawers and cabinets and a little shelf and stuff. And you know, I'm just excited because y'all, right now, this is what I film off of, okay? So it's time for us to upgrade just a little bit. Yeah, so it's time for us to upgrade just a little bit in here in the glam room, and I figured I might as well start with my vanity set. So while I am in the condition that I'm in, and when I say in the condition that I'm in, I'm talking about like relax and stuff like that. Like I washed and braided my hair down and stuff so that I could apply a wig, you know. Anyways, I'm getting beside myself. Before, like I said, I glow up and do what I do, we are going to put this vanity set together, okay? So I am going to set y'all up, and we are going to unbox and try to put this together. Now here's the thing, okay? I read the reviews after I bought the vanity set, and the reviews were not good reviews, y'all. The reviews were terrible. People were saying that the vanity set is nice and it works and it does what it's supposed to do. However, it is very, very difficult to put together. They said that it took at least 11 hours to put together, and the directions were terrible. So I'm kind of like, had I known that, had I read the reviews before, I probably wouldn't be in this situation right now. But I think I can probably figure it out. So yeah. wish me luck, you guys. I really hope that this turns out nice, and I hope that it does not take me no 11 hours to do, because I don't have 11 hours. I'm trying to glow up at my new vanity set, okay? But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Let me show y'all. These are all the pieces. Let's see what I could build out of this. And then that's the mirror. I like it. I like the size of the mirror and everything. Alright, let's go ahead and build. Hey y'all. Good morning. Yes, it is the next day. Last night I had to stop on putting the vanity together just because I didn't want to frustrate myself and then end up messing something up. So I think like around like 9:30 I called it quits and went to bed, and then I woke up this morning at about 8 o'clock, and let me show you guys what I have accomplished so far. Okay, I know it's probably hard to see because of the sun right now, but we got the frame up on the vanity, so I'm super excited. Yeah, I'm super excited to finish this up and just kind of like do some makeup and chit chats there, y'all. I'm so excited. So because it's been taking me a little minute to, you know, get the situation together, we're not going to film the rest. So I'm gonna talk to y'all once this whole vanity situation is done. And yeah, okay y'all, so your girl finished. I finished. Let me show y'all what the vanity looks like. I did good. God is good, but this is what it looks like, y'all. Don't mind my outfit. And look, y'all, all the doors open. They're all deep too, especially that one. I love that one. And then on this side, then we got a little drawer right here, which is good. Another one here, and then this right here opens sideways.
Guys, you know you better watch out.
Now I do like all of the storage space and everything that I have here, so that's pretty nice. But yeah, y'all, right now it is 2:44. Your girl is about to go and shower and probably just put on some different lounge clothes and stuff like that, find myself something to eat, and then edit this vlog because I need to get it out either today or tomorrow, one of the two. But yeah, y'all, this is the vanity set. I'm excited. This is the glam room, so I'm pretty excited about getting this room together. The vanity was literally like, let me turn it around. The vanity set was literally like the first piece to this room that I wanted to redo. So I'm excited because it seems like it's coming together just like I need it to be. So yeah, y'all be on the lookout because we get in my house together, redecorating, doing some decorating, all of that. I do not have this on right. I'll redo it anyway before I get in the shower. But anyways, y'all. Okay, but anyways, y'all, thank you so much for watching this weekly vlog. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Thanks for watching me sweating out and stuff like that. Like I said, I'm about to get ready to relax, so y'all don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also that little bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl drops a new video. And with that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out. I love the glam room. It's just so nice.
Bad like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.